अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Now this is verse number 63. We had finished with verse number 62, and now this is again here. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding children of Israel the favors which he bestowed upon them. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا. Now he is again reminding one of the biggest event which had happened to the children of Israel. What is and is means when, and is means when, and when. Akhazna, this na is giving the meaning of we. Akhaza means we took, and when we took. Misaqakum, kum means your, misaq means promise or your covenant. Actually misaq is the highest degree of promise. Wa'ada, see there are three words. Wa'ada, then ahadan. Ahad is again promise, wada is again promise, ahad is also covenant or promise. Then comes misaq. This is the third degree of promise, means highest degree of promise. Okay, means wada is just like, we can understand in our language as wada is just like promising something. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, so this way if you are saying something like, means just simply saying by the mouth that okay, I will do it, that is the wada. Okay, that is the promise. Ahad is like, it is a bit heavier than wada. Okay, then misaq is what? Actually this is the agreement sort of something, like when you agree fully, means like when you read the rules and regulations of particular thing and then you sign over it, means you are fully agreeing the like everything you agree, and after that you sign on to it. Means like if you break this misaq, you are liable for punishment. It is sort of like this. Misaq is just, we can understand that way. What is akhazna? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here, he is using this word misaq, means this is the highest degree of the promise. And when we took misaqakum, your covenant, wa rafa'ana, and rafa'ana, we, rafa'a means we raised, fa is the root word here, means to raise or to elevate something. And we raised fawqakum, this na is again this warafana, and we raised fawqakum, fawqa plus kum. Fawqa means above. Tahta will be its opposite. Tahta means below. Above you at Tur Mount Sinai. Okay, now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here saying that when we took covenant from you, and then when we raised Mount Sinai over you, for khuzu, hold, ma, what, atayna, we gave, kum, you, hold what we have given you, biquwa, with b plus quwa, with the strength, with power. Okay, with all your might. See here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took covenant from the children of Israel. What was the covenant? That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them the orders, the commands and the book, and then they were supposed to follow that book and follow the orders and do's and don'ts of that book. But then they just took that covenant and just kept it aside. Okay, they were not serious about that misaq, about covenant. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, now what, when they did this, they were not taking seriously the covenant, then now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would have punished them. Okay, but instead of punishing them, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had mercy onto them, and what he did to make them return to the covenant, what he did, he raised above them Mount Sinai. Okay, the Mount Sinai, the mountain was raised onto them, over them, as if it is going to fall onto them. So they all got scared, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Huzu ma ataynakum biquwa, hold whatever I have given, we have given you with strength. Okay, waskuru, and remember. This you understood now? Waskuru, and remember, and uskuru, you all people remember, ma fihi, whatever is in it. Okay, whatever is in it. La'allakum tattakun, so that, la'alla plus kum, la'alla means so that, kum means you, so that you tattakun, you all may become God conscious, or you all may become pious. Taqwa word you can see here. You all, ta and waw noon is giving the meaning of you all. so that you all may become pious, or so that you all may become God conscious. This verse is clear. I hope this verse is clear to you all. So let's revise this again and then we will switch on to this. What is and when we took your covenant, okay, warafa'na, and we raised, when we took your covenant, you are not taking that covenant seriously. So what we did, we raised above you Mount Sinai, okay, so that you hold what we have given you with strength, okay, so that when you got scared with the Mount Sinai and they were thinking that the Mount Sinai means like this Tur, Mount Tur is going to fell upon them, so they got scared, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told them, hold what we have given you with strength. Means you just don't keep it aside, you have to follow the rules and regulations of the book. Waskuru ma fihi, and you have to remember whatever is in it, okay, so that you all may be God conscious. Summa, then tawallaytum, you turn away. Mimbad, after zalik, that after this big event also you turn away. Falawla fadlullahi, fa means then, law means if, la means not, then if not, falawla. Fa plus law plus la. Fa means then, law means if, okay, this law means if, la means not, then if not, fadlullahi, the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or the bounty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, alaykum, please addition of again towards Allah plus kum, then if not, the bounty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would have been upon you, wa, and rahmatuhu, his rahmat, his mercy. This who is attached pronoun, this who goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and his mercy, la kuntum minal khasirin, la means surely, la means surely. Kuntum, you would have been, minal khasirin, from al khasir. Al means the, khasir means the one person, those people who are losers, okay. Kha, sin, ra is the root word here, means loss. Kha, sin, ra is the root word here, means loss. And when this alif comes here, it becomes the doer, means the person who is loser. Kha, and when alif comes here, it becomes the loser. Loser. Khasirin means those all people who are loser. This ya noon makes it plural. Now let's revise this. Then you turn away. Tawallaytum means you turn. This tum gives the meaning of you. You turn away. Mimbad, after. Mimbad means after. See, mimbad is actually min plus bad. Min means from bad, from after. But when we are translating, we can say mimbad, both the things as after, okay. After zalik, that, after this event also you just turn away. Falawla, then if not, the bounty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon you and his mercy, surely you would have become minal khasirin, among. Min means from, actually. Min means from or among. Among al khasirin, the losers. Alif lam gives the meaning of the. Let's revise these two verses again. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا, and when we took مِيثَاقَكُمْ, your covenant, وَرَفَعْنَا, and we raised above you, فَوْقَكُمْ, above you, Mount Tur, خُذُوا, hold what we have given you with strength, and remember whatever is in it, so that you all may become God conscious. Then you turn away, mimbad, after that, then if not, would have been the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon you and his mercy, surely you would have been among the losers. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.